to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by once again. I'm getting ready to style and install this wig, and I wanted to show you all how it looked from the beginning. This wig is from Ronnie Hair. This is the box that it came in. This is the wig. This is a 13x6 frontal wig. The length of this wig is an 18-inch. So this is how it looks all the way around. All right, y'all, so this is the inside of the wig. The knots already come bleached, so that is definitely a pro. You got 4 combs, 3 at the top, 1 at the bottom. You got an adjustable strap in here. It does come with an elastic band that you can attach. This is the inside of the cap. And this is the lace on it. This is their clear lace. So it's really, really thin. As you can see, like without even applying it with any glue or hairspray, it pretty much is invisible already on the hands. So what I'm going to do, since I don't have to bleach the knots, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, and then of course, you know, do some plucking, because it does come pre-plucked already. Oh, it's a nice hairline too. So I don't have to do much of nothing really, but I'm gonna go back in and pluck and customize the hairline, and then I'm gonna come back and of course put it on for y'all to see and give y'all my ending input on the wig. So if you're interested in this video, please be sure to stay tuned. Of course, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Hey y'all, so okay, some of my thoughts on this wig. Now the quality of the wig, if I didn't say that at the beginning, is really nice. Of course, the lace, it blends in really nicely. This is giving very much natural vibes. Okay, this is like a naturalista type style. So if you like your wigs to look super, super natural, this may be the one for you. I will say this is a high maintenance wig. When it comes to kinky curly hair, it's really high maintenance. So it requires a lot of moisture. Now, of course, you don't have to you don't have to add moisture to it per se. Meaning if you like more of an afro look, you don't mind the frizz, or you don't mind the drier state of it, then that's totally fine. But if you like your curls defined, this hair loves moisture. So for me, I did use a little bit of foam mousse along with a lot of water. Okay, like I was drenched by the time I finished this video. So that's what I use. But if you want your curls to like be super defined and hold throughout the day, I will use some type of styling cream or styling gel, curling pudding, something like that, that will hold your curls and lock them into place. And also, once you define your curls, do not touch your hair. Don't be running your hands through your hair, because it's going to quickly start to get frizzy. So this hair, again, is high maintenance. Like, this would be a wig that if you sleep in it and want to install it and keep it installed for like a week or two, you're gonna be more than likely like defining the curls and doing the maintenance work for it every day. Or you would have to the night before, you know, like if you want to do twists, Like, you know how some people do like a twist out, so like they'll twist their hair at night and then untwist it in the morning to help maintain it. This requires a lot of maintenance. So if you don't mind the maintenance, I would definitely say check out this wig. Again, it is nice quality. I've worked with Ronnie here before, and their wigs are very nice quality. My favorite part of their wigs is always the lace. Their clear lace is very blendable, and it melts very well. I did put a little bit of makeup around my hairline to blend the lace in with my skin tone, but I didn't have to, but just to get like the crest, you know, like from applying it with the hairspray, and just to get those pieces that were a little lighter, I used my makeup to blend that in. I didn't do any baby hairs, as you can see, and yeah, it's giving what it needs to be given for a natural look. But yeah, I have nothing else to say. Again, big shout out to Ronnie Hair for allowing me to try out this wig. I thank y'all so much, and huge thank you to each and every one of you for watching this video and for your love and support. I thank y'all so much. I'm gonna get out of here, but I thank y'all for watching. Again, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.